Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use Airtable to manage a yoga class schedule, your complete guide for 2025. First things first, navigate to airtable.com, create an account if you haven't already, and sign in. This is your starting point where you can organize and manage your classes effectively. Now that we're in, let's create a new base. Click on the Add a Base button and select Start from Scratch. Name it something like Yoga Class Schedule 2025. It's important to start from scratch to customize your base to your exact needs. Next, rename the first table as Classes and add fields like class name, instructor, date, time, and attendees. The reason we do this is to have all the important class details in one place for easy reference. Now let's populate our table. Click on the plus button in the Records field. Add all the details for each of your classes. This helps us because it allows us to see and manage the overall schedule at a glance. Next up, we'll use Airtable's calendar view to make our schedule easier to visualize. Click on the grid button at the top and select Calendar. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Airtable automatically plots your classes onto a calendar based on the dates you entered. Let me explain why this matters. With the calendar view, you can easily see when each class is happening, who's teaching, and how many attendees are expected. This is especially useful for spotting any potential scheduling conflicts. Finally, you can share your schedule with others, like instructors and students. Click on the Share button on the top right and select Read Only Link or Embed this calendar. This allows others to view your yoga class schedule, helping you to communicate effectively and keep everyone on the same page. And there you have it. You've just set up your yoga class schedule on Airtable. It's a simple and effective way to keep track of all your classes and manage your yoga studio smoothly. Thank you for tuning in, and be sure to join us next time for more tutorials.